Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, iPhone 15 Plus device, and now I'm going to show you how to exit recovery mode on this device. To do it, you need to disconnect your iPhone from your computer and press volume up, volume down, then press and hold power button until your device reboots. When you will see Apple logo, you can release the power button. Release power button and wait. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.